Welcome back to our 30-day video series for UPSC, IIT, and NEET aspirants. In today's video, we'll explore the essential skill of problem solving and techniques to enhance your problem solving abilities. Let's see key points about problem solving techniques. Problem solving is a critical skill for success in UPSC, IIT, and NEET exams. It requires analytical thinking, logical reasoning, and the ability to apply concepts to real-world situations. Let's dive into valuable tips and techniques to help you develop your problem-solving skills. Narrator. First, let's understand the importance of developing problem-solving skills. Application of concepts. Problem solving allows you to apply the concepts you've learned to real-life scenarios. It helps you connect theoretical knowledge with practical situations, enhancing your understanding and retention. Analytical thinking. Developing problem-solving skills enhances your analytical thinking abilities. It enables you to break down complex problems into smaller, manageable components and devise effective strategies to find solutions. Student using different problem-solving strategies, such as drawing diagrams or making a step-by-step plan. Now, let's explore some techniques for improving your problem-solving skills. Understand the problem. Before jumping into solving a problem, take the time to thoroughly understand it. Identify the given information, constraints, and the desired outcome. This clarity will guide your problem-solving approach. Break down the problem. Break the problem into smaller parts or steps. This helps you tackle each component systematically and identify the relationships between different elements. Students shall practice problem solving by solving a series of questions. To enhance your problem solving abilities, consider incorporating these techniques. Practice regularly. Regular practice is key to developing problem solving skills. Solve a variety of problems from different topics and difficulty levels. Challenge yourself with unfamiliar problems to expand your problem-solving repertoire. Analyze solutions. After solving a problem, analyze your solution. Reflect on your approach, identify any errors or inefficiencies, and explore alternative methods. This analysis helps you refine your problem-solving strategies and learn from your mistakes. Students get to seek help from mentor or collaborate with peers to solve problems. Narrator. Additionally, consider these tips to optimize your problem-solving process. Seek help and collaboration. Don't hesitate to seek help or collaborate with peers. Discussing problems, sharing insights, and exploring different perspectives can enhance your problem-solving abilities and lead to innovative solutions. Develop logical reasoning. Work on improving your logical reasoning skills. Practice identifying patterns, making logical deductions, and developing arguments. This skill set will contribute to your overall problem-solving prowess. By following these proven tips, student appears confident and engaged, actively practicing problem-solving techniques. By incorporating these problem-solving techniques into your exam preparation, you'll develop a strong foundation for tackling complex questions, enhance your analytical thinking, and boost your overall performance in the exams. If you have any questions about problem-solving techniques or need guidance on how to enhance your problem-solving skills, feel free to reach out to us. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll discuss effective techniques for dealing with exam anxiety and stress, ensuring you perform at your best.